Hello everyone. Today we are taking nuclear reaction. How will you solve nuclear reactions? Last time we have discussed about nuclear reactions, so we will continue here. How will we solve here? I told you in last lecture also that there are some particles 0 and 1 neutron, 1 H1 proton, 2 He4 alpha particle helium nucleus, minus 1 beta 0, that is the your beta particle, and plus 1 beta 0, it is your positron. It is the same like this, but only what is the difference here? Minus 1, here plus 1 is there. You will see these 5 particles generally they will come in this nuclear reaction. How will they come? Just we try that. First reaction I am taking here, the nitrogen whose atomic number is 7 and 14 is mass number. When it will react with this alpha particle 2He4, then it will this nitrogen convert in according to nuclear reaction in oxygen whose atomic number is 8 and mass number is 17. Now students count here 14 plus 4 18, and here it was coming 17. So 1 will come mass number of that particle, and now 2 7 plus 2 9, and out of 9 8 is used in oxygen, so 1 is remaining this. So 1 will come here, and here 14 plus 18 1 is coming, so 1 and 1, and just I told you this is the proton, so it will what will become, students? 1 H1 1. So in this way we will get here proton particle. Now we will see another reaction. There we are taking hydrogen isotopes 1H2 which react with the ammonium 13 aluminum 24. This aluminum convert in magnesium, that is now here 13, now 12, and 25 is there. Now students please count here 2 and plus 24 26. So here 25. So here 1 will become, okay, and now here 1 plus 3 14. So 14 में से 2 हो गया, तो इधर कितना आएगा आपका? here it will come 1 plus 3 1 plus 13 14. यहाँ 12 यूज हो गया है, तो 12 यूज हो गया तो हमारे पास बचा कितना? 2 बचा है, तो 2, ओके, सो 2, और यहाँ पे कितना था? 26. तो इट इज ऑल्सो वन मोर पार्टिकल. देन आफ्टर दैट 15 this phosphorus 30 which is converting in 14 silicon. तो 14 सिलिकॉन में कन्वर्ट हुआ, तो 15 में से 14 एक चला गया, हमारे पास बचा 1, ओके, और 13 का 13 जीरो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे 1 हमारा पॉजिटिव है और साथ में ये ऊपर 0 है, तो बीटा 0, ओके. देन 5 बोरॉन प्लस 0 एंड 1 सिमिलर हियर. तो यहाँ न्यूट्रॉन पार्टिकल से बम्बार्मेंट करा रहे हैं, तो यहाँ 3 हो रहा है, तो 5 में 5 यहाँ है, यहाँ 3 है, तो यहाँ 2 आएगा, ओके. और यहाँ 7 यूज हो गया और यहाँ 11 है, तो 2He4. इन दिस वे वी विल गेट अल्फा पार्टिकल. देन फिफ्थ 90 थोरियम 232, 88 we are getting, so 2 less, so it means 2 will come here, and 232 228. So 228, now remaining how we read? 4. So 4 will come, that is again alpha particle will come. So in this way we will get here alpha particle again. Now here more reactions are given, but here the exercise is for you. You will solve this aluminum. What particle will come in this side now? So but you will follow the same procedure. So here it is coming 15, while here it is 13, and here 0. So you will tell this is what? Then here similar nitrogen when react with alpha particles, so 1 we are getting 1H1. Here what will come? You will tell that. Then 7 nitrogen, then it will react with neutron. So carbon is converting, and what particle will come? That you will tell here. Then 11 sodium 24, it is converting in magnesium. अब यहाँ देखिए 11 है, यहाँ 12 हो गया है, तो ज़रा ध्यान दीजिएगा, यहाँ 11 ही चाहिए हमको, तो 12 माइनस चाहिए, इसलिए ओके, आई गेव यू हिंट. देन आफ्टर दिस बेरिलियम व्हेन इट इज striking with helium 2He4 or alpha particle, this beryllium is converting in carbon. Then here you will tell that one more this particle. So in this way I hope so you can do this reaction. If you having any doubt you can ask, okay. So thank you for joining me, and please subscribe this channel if you have not done, and if you like this channel, so please give like. Thank you.